Sarah's family is going for a picnic. They all are so much excited. Sarah's mother has made yummy food for them. Finally, they arrive at their picnic spot and spread out a big mat to sit on. They all enjoy the nature and have fun. After some time, they take out the lunch and lay all the food on the mat one by one. But Sarah rubs her arm. "Something is tickling me," she says.
Oh no! Ants! Ants are crawling on me.
After that, they packed their things and moved to another nicer place. So kids, can you make the sound like that? Good job! This is the sound of letter A.
Apple. Ant. Alligator.